Hello everyone. This is a bike which is modified to a kind of bobber cum cafe racer, you can say. It was a commuter bike and we have tried modifying it into a unique style. It's a single seater bike. We have paid a lot of attention into the detailing of this bike, small detailings. Hopefully you will like it and you can recommend me and suggest me the changes which you feel like. So first of all, let me show you a 360-degree view of this bike. We have installed a double silencer and both the silencers are functional. Here is the tail light. Now one by one we'll come into the things of the bike. Everything in the bike is custom designed and custom made, and you can see the meter. We have installed a digital meter which is easily available in the market. It costs somewhere around 1600 to 1800 depending upon the location. I have bought it for 1600 in this bike. We have installed the silencer of Avenger 180 Street. The silencers are a costly affair. You can choose your silencer as per your taste, but these silencers are superb. The sound of the silencer is quite good, and each silencer costs somewhere around 7800. So you can take your call whether you would like to install this or not. Here in this bike we have used this tail light of Thunderbird. Again, this tail light is some 1800 bucks, 1860 odd rupees, but this is a nice tail light. It looks nice in the evening hours. And this rear panel, we have designed it in such a manner that it can take the load of one person. If you want to have one additional rider with you, you can carry him here, but I hope this is not required here. I've used this sticker built, not bought, in this bike, since everything is custom built and designed as per the taste of me, as per my taste. Now you can see this hugger, tire hugger, we have taken it from Pulsar 130 NS. This side panel look, we have taken it from Java. Tank looks are uniquely designed based on my taste. We have installed this handlebar lamps also. Now let me put it in center stand. I'll show you a few more things. Like indicators are aftermarket indicators, easily available online and offline. Headlamps are again aftermarket product which is easily available. We have tried to design the headlamp in a unique pattern. I have taken the design base from Indiana FTR 1200. Not exactly, but somewhat. Mudguards are designed in a custom manner. I've taken it from a sports bike, but that was a small mudguard. We have tried it to try to keep it covered so that we don't face the mud and other issues while riding. See, here we were having a lot of cablings and all which were exposed. So post completion, we decided that we should cover it because that was not looking odd, and we have designed this plate so that we can cover it all. We took this place for holding the bike or lifting the bike while putting the center stand and all. We have changed the tire profile, but one thing guys, we haven't made any changes in the original chassis or original engine performance of the bike, so you may not feel it as good as it looks. but hopefully you will like it. Now I will show you the meters and all, and then we'll talk about the cost and all pricing part. Even though it's a sunny day, and I can show you this is how the meter gets started, and it's a decent meter. Now coming to the graphics part, we have kept bare minimum graphics. This is the upper panel which we have stickered, and this stickers we have used it from Pulsar 220, and remaining all remains the same. Now I will show you the sound of the vehicle. You can see that it sounds good. The sounds are quite decent. But since in the beginning of my video, as I have told you, that this is a commuter bike, so you might not get the performance as you were expecting. You will have a bare minimum performance in this bike. But guys, to be fair enough, this gives you a unique presence in the road, and one advantage with it, that you are getting the mileage of a commuter bike. All these panels and everything is custom made of metal sheet, hence the weight of the bike has been increased by around 40 kgs overall compared to the earlier weight, more than 40 kgs, some 43 kgs. So this is all about my bike. Hopefully you will like the overall feel of the bike. The basic bike, the donor bike, is TVS Star Sports. TVS Star Sports. So that's the basic reason I have kept this TVS logo in my tank, and hopefully you can make it out from this engine portion that this is a TVS Star Sports. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching my video, and do share your views and suggestions in my wall. Thanks a lot.